In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Workdrive to WordPress website. This is a simple way to display a Zoho Workdrive file or folder directly on your WordPress site using an embed code. The main idea is that Zoho Workdrive generates a piece of code for the item you want to show, and WordPress lets you paste that code into your page or post. First, go to Zoho Workdrive and locate the exact file or folder you want to display on your website. Take a moment to confirm you have the right item because the embed code will be specific to what you select. Once you are ready, right-click that file or folder to open the menu. From the menu, choose Share and then select New Embed Code. This opens the embed settings where you can control how the preview will look when it appears on your WordPress page. Customize the preview to match your site. For example, adjust the size so it fits your page layout, and choose a theme or appearance option that looks clean and readable. A practical tip here is to think about your visitors on mobile devices. If the embed is too wide or too tall, it may feel awkward on smaller screens, so choose a size that is comfortable. When you are happy with the preview settings, click Copy Code. This saves the full embed code to your clipboard, and you will paste it into WordPress in the next part. Now switch to WordPress. Open the page or post where you want this Workdrive content to appear. Go to the Code tab or the Code Editor view so you can paste the embed code directly into the page content. Place your cursor exactly where you want the embedded file or folder to show up. Then paste the code you copied from Zoho Workdrive. Finally, publish your page or post. If you are updating an existing page, make sure you publish or update so your changes go live. After publishing, it is a good habit to view the page and confirm the embedded preview displays correctly and fits your layout.